up, my boy? It's been a minute since I've been up on this channel. Man, I got a lot of updates, got a lot of things that's happening, got a lot of things that has changed. But I'm gonna run y'all through everything that has been going down. But I am officially back, and we about to go buy us a motorcycle today. As you can see on the title and the thumbnail, because it's hot. I tried to go get it now, but they don't accept credit cards, or debit. I gotta go down here to the store, withdraw some money and buy it. So basically it's a crash motorcycle that I'm gonna show you step by step of how to rebuild it, and we're gonna try to do this thing for as little as money possible. Kawasaki is really not my favorite brand motorcycles. I'm gonna put that out there right now, but I found it for a deal, so I might as well go ahead and see what I can do on it. Yeah, I know I'm sweating like a Hebrew slave out here, boy. It is hot. It's hot. Life update, man. It's been about 3 years since I've been on this channel, and man, there's a lot of growth, and I'm gonna show y'all the growth when I get to the crib after we get this motorcycle right quick. I just been moving in silence, being a little quiet, you know what I mean? But I'm back, baby, back better than ever. You'll see a few things change. The girl I was with before, we ain't together no more. That was my ex-wife now, so we all Gucci right now. All right, let me go in here. Let me run in here and grab this this payment right here. All right, so got the cash. How much you think? Down in the comment section below, how much you think this is gonna cost? When you see it, and y'all let me know down in the comment below. Before we even get there, before you even look at it. But I'm gonna tell you, this is all what it's gonna cost. This is what's right here. These are 20s. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, $300, that's all it's gonna cost. That's it. Damn break. All right, so I will, we got a lot going on right now. I got a lot of stuff going on right now. Probably shouldn't even be buying this thing right now because of all the stuff I got going on at the house. But I'm like, dang, boy, I gotta get this. I got to. All right, there she is. She's a little beat up, but we're gonna bring her back to life. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do on it. It's a little 600. I ain't never had a 600, but we're gonna take these bucks in here. We're gonna go and pay the man. We're at the Savage Junkyard. All right, buddy. Got you right here. 300. Oh man, I need yours. Yours bigger than mine. How you gonna take my necklace? Mine's small. I should be putting that towards the bigger one, so I can be like you. No, we can't trade. We can't trade right now. We're good. You gonna help me load it? Come on, man. Come on, man. No, it's all right. Appreciate it. All right, just that simple. So now, let's go and get this thing loaded up. Boy, it's been a while. It's been a while since I rode a motorcycle. It's been a while since I had a motorcycle. It's been a while for a lot of things. But I'm telling you, when I get home, I'm gonna show you. I ain't been slacking. I will tell you that. I've been working. I've been working hard, and I'm gonna show you my new position, where I'm at now versus where I was. I'm gonna tell you, don't give up on yourself. We're gonna get it. It's kind of seized up right now. Now if I can get a push, that'd be awesome. All right, yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Boy, hey, what did I just do? I did some wild stuff. Like, what did I just do? I just bought a wrecked motorcycle. That ain't the first one I've done, and I'm about to do it again. I probably should have, now looking at it, I probably should have laid it down. I don't know why I didn't, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna get a home safe and sound. Basically, that scrap metal pretty much paid half of what I brought. Some stuff from the house that I had left over. I brought it here. I got 160 bucks for it. So that made it, basically paid for half of this. So, and it was just junk that I ain't even need anyway. So, hey, why not? Put another 150 in it. We got some. Tighten this up this side. Boy, I mean, it's hot out here, boy. That's one thing that ain't changed about me in the last 3 years. Sweat. We just made it to the crib. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with now. We got the tiny house. We somewhere better. We moved up. We better now. So here's the crib. Over there, I'm over there getting ready to plant some flowers. But there's the Ram. So end up getting the Ram. I got a Ram 1500 4x4. This is the Longhorn edition. And got the big, I love the inside. And the interior, it go crazy with the big panoramic roof on there. But that's just it, my little dirty. I can't show you everything on this, but the goal for the truck, we're gonna put some 26s on it, 26s by 14s. That's what's about to happen to it. And then I got something you might want. You might want this. I also got a 2022, or it's a 23, I don't know. But I got a 335i. Actually, I'm about to get ready to sell this because I'm about to replace this with a McLaren, either 720S or a 600 LT. Haven't made my mind up on which one I want yet, but the BMW, hey, if you want it, she got low miles, good car. I hardly ever drive this thing. And also in the fleet, the Jaguar, it ain't here right now, but as y'all see, man, I gotta clean up this garage. So man, as you can see, I got a lot to do before I even get started on the motorcycle. We are, however, going to tear it down and go over all the parts and stuff, order all the parts that we need. I'm gonna do step by step on how to do that. So I need to clean up this garage. We're gonna go over the motorcycle here in just a second. I do gotta show you the backyard. That's the best part of the house. When the backyard goes crazy. Well, the backyard go kind of crazy because we just tilled the whole yard to lay some sod. So sod's getting laid tomorrow. Big pool action going on over here. It's a lot of stuff going on in the backyard right now. And this right here, I built this koi pond, haven't finished it yet. So y'all see the spray foam coming out of it. That's the yellow, that's the spray foam. So gotta cut that off, put some rocks in there to hide it, make it all look good. We don't have no water in there. Got pipes I need to go hide under the ground before tomorrow, before they come lay the sod. My drain, I put these steps in here. So we got a big grill over here on the outside, water feature right here. And then I'm in the process over here on the side. I don't know, you see that wood right there? I'm building a, what you call that, a closet, a bigger closet. But this is what it looked like from the front side. Got the big creek down at the bottom. We got just a little lounge area here, them extra blocks. If you want them, hey, hit me up in the comment section. I can give them to you. No, I'm just lying, I still need them. But yeah, I just want to show you that. Just to show y'all, man, this, where I come from, a lot of y'all been rocking with me for a minute, man. I lived in a tiny house for the longest. And man, all I've been out here is just grinding, man. Grinding, staying focused, and trying to do better, trying to do right. So, well, let's get back on task, back, because we got to talk about this motorcycle, right? Y'all, but I pray to God that whoever was riding this motorcycle, hope everything. I hope you're all right. You live through this right here. But I pray to God that whoever owned this motorcycle, if you seeing this video, hey, I hope you're all right, man. I hope nothing really happened to you. I hope this is just cosmetic to the bike and not to you. But let's check it out. Let's see what we need here. So I was on the fence of buying it in the first place because the only thing that was really a drawback to this motorcycle, I know it ran, right? Because the only way that we know it ran is because it got in an accident. So we know the motor is pretty much good except for this. This is why I was on the fence of buying this motorcycle, just because of that. As you can see, this looks like the starter. So it's cracked the whole casing on the starter. Took it smooth off, but that seems like to be it. Like, that's all I could see. It got oil in it. Nothing seemed too crazy that anything that would have really happened. I might have to get a new subframe. I know I need to get a new frame because this had no title to it. It was deemed destruction. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, how you get around this. You can buy you a crashed motorcycle. All we're gonna do is source a frame off of eBay with a clean title, switch all the parts over. The motor might be bad, so if we can't get this casing fixed for the motor, or even buy engine casing itself, we might have to buy a new motor as well. My goal and budget for this bike right here is $3,000. Because now you can go buy this motorcycle running. And another thing, I don't even know how many miles this thing got on it. So those are two things I'm unsure of, but I sourced all the other parts, so I'm suspecting even if I got to get a motor, I'm gonna have to spend about $3 grand. Oh, there go the other whip pulling up in the house right now. That's the Jag F-Pace. See, she might can get in the garage, or she might not. But anyway, but this is it. So I'm gonna leave y'all with that video, man. My baby just got home. I'm gonna chop it up with her real quick. I love that color on that Jaguar. That thing's so smooth. Ooh, she's smooth. I love the Jaguar, but all that chrome, I'm about to take all that chrome and take it to black. Bag out a little bit. There you go. Come on. Come on. All right, you good. But I'm taking all that chrome and turning it black like the wheels. I think it'll be real smooth when that happens. So I've been telling us, like, I'm gonna do that for you. I'm gonna change that for you here real soon. Y'all probably see that. But now that Jaguar, I love it. But now that's pretty much it. That's all for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing off, get it in the inside, and then we're gonna start tearing it apart. If you still rock with your boy, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel.